Today we're gonna have to use vinegar, an egg, and a cup. So first, you pour the vinegar inside the cup. Please, will you please pour the vinegar into me? Thank you very much. You will only need 1/3 of the cup. You should only pour 1/3 or this much of the vinegar in the cup. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Now, put the egg inside the vinegar. Here's the pizza. Don't put your hand in the vinegar. Can you see all the bubbles fizzing around the egg in the cup? It's really cool. In 24 hours, we're gonna come back to you guys and see you tomorrow. Bye! Here with the bouncing egg that we made yesterday with you guys. And here's it after 24 hours. You can see it looks bigger and it may become bigger. And here's the shell skin. It's brown.
Sticking at the glass.
Yeah, it's sticking on the glass. So I have to rinse it. This is how it looks like. It's really squishy. I'm gonna try to bounce it on the... It's really bouncy and squishy. It's cool, right? Down below, guys, if it actually worked for you guys.